Hi guys, welcome back to Abby. Happy New Year! Even though we're getting lit into the month of January, but Happy New Year. Today's gonna be a bit different. I don't want to call this series, but it's called Pinterest Tries. Mainly because on my Pinterest I have a whole board called Tries or something like that. But you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, you can. It's ABIKID 2007. You know. Our week in 2007, but today we are going to be doing a mask. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Do you flex with Pinterest? Do you flex with Pinterest? Wow. Do you like get down with Pinterest? Do you do the dance with Pinterest, or is that not a thing for you? And also New Year's resolutions. I want to see them in the comment section below. I want to see them. And subscribe for more amazing content. So yeah, so one of the things I'm doing for skincare, because it's a skincare video, best 2 ingredients face mask recipe. And the one I'm going to be using is one for clear skin. 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And that I'm going to be doing today. So before I get started, I'm going to be wiping my face with the Superdrug's 100% cotton wool pads and some micellar water from Garnier. My face is relatively clean, but there is cream on it, so I don't want the cream to be interfering. Even though the cream is a blemish control cream, but yeah. I'm going to do the honey, the lemon first, because that'll be easier to do. So I have a little bowl here. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I feel like I'm going to need more than 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, but you know, let me not waste anything in it. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. So let's spend, this is going to be so messy. I didn't think this through, guys. So I've got a lemon juice here. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of this. So I did 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and it really, you can't even see in it, can you? It really isn't a lot. So I'm thinking, how's it to cover my whole face? But you know, have faith in it. 2 teaspoons of honey. Ooh, this is harder than you think it would be. So let's get in the honey. And the thing that's so funny, guys, I forgot. I do not like honey. That's 1. And now let's get 2 going. Oh, guys, the smell of honey makes me feel sick. Okay. And that's now 2. So I didn't do it on camera. So far we have a concoction, but kind of just looks like that. Not too fabulous. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to mix it all together. Okay, so I did Google this recipe separately from Pinterest, and there was another one. It said half a lemon and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. I didn't have an actual lemon, so I didn't use that recipe because I didn't know. It's really runny, so I don't know how I'm going to apply it with my face. But let's just try. Oh, guys, I don't want to do this. Okay, I'm going to try to use all of the mixture, but oh, it's going to get my mouth. It's going to get my mouth. I'm going to try to use all of the mixture, but then I realised that it's not meant to be a thick consistency, so this can actually last you a couple of times. If you you wash your hands when you do it, you probably put gloves on and wrap it up in the fridge and stuff, because I kind of finished putting it on my face and there's still a decent amount left. Guys, I'm really trying to persevere, but I can't. It's gone in my mouth. It's gone, the honey's in my mouth. Okay, so I wanna cry. I can't get out because my hands have honey on it. Okay, so I know I look a bit cray-cray right now, but so on the second website, it's on the Pinterest one, the actual website, it said to leave on there for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how sensitive the skin is. And that, even though I use sensitive, guys, the more I speak, the more it goes in my mouth. Even though I use sensitive products, I don't think my skin is that sensitive. I think I actually deal with a lot. Guys, I can't speak, it's going in my mouth. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes. I'm then going to get ready. I'm going to do the whole shebang and wait for the timer to go off, wash off, then come back and tell you guys my reviews. And then in between me filming this and me uploading it, I will tell you guys if I broke out with it or not. But my hand's actually covered in it. From the mixture, I still got a bit left over, and I was going round and round and round to try use up. So if it is good, you do get more than 1 portion. Timer is set. I don't know if you can see that. And I'll see you guys back here in a jiffy. So guys, I'm back now. I've washed off my face with just plain warm water. It came off really easily. I think it was really good. And then I used my normal thing to clean my face, which is bio oil and Last Tea Tree water. But I might be changing actually. What I can say is that my skin does feel smooth. I think what would be inspired if I put some on my neck as well. So you guys, when you use this recipe, make sure you do your face and your neck. Honestly, I think I'll rate it about a 2 out of 5 because I really like honey. Like, guys, I really don't like honey. And it doesn't do enough for me to want to make it where I could buy a packet. Like, I'm a lazy human being, so why am I going to space time and make it when I can buy it for 99p? You know? I really like honey, so I brought it all the way down to a 3. And then the taste alone put down to a 2. And also the fact that I can't shower with on. I feel like the shower was, because it wasn't a sticky one, because it wasn't like a peel off one or like a drying one. The shower was like melting away as well, so it wasn't that great. So I put it down to a 2. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to comment down below that you enjoyed it and give it a thumbs up as well. And subscribe, and I'll see you guys real soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!